Hi, day 16 of 31. Today we want to cover a simple checklist to sign off your goods before mass production. Hi, my name is Becky, and thank you so much for those that have been watching the series and asking me questions. Some of you are inboxing in questions. Please, can you put them on the comments? How that helps is I can then repost it as an answer, and there is similar people asking the same question, so we all get the same answer. I do get back to as much as I can, but that would help us out tremendously if you could do that. Now, back to checking and approving your sample before it actually goes into mass production. You need to check the weight, the measurements. I will give you a personal example. At a couple of years ago, I was selling toiletry bags. Now, based in the UK, the postage system with Royal Mail then changed, and they started doing what's called a large letter with certain dimensions and certain weight. My product fell within this, category, just with a little deviance, maybe of some 100 grams. Not 100 grams, sorry, 10 grams. I then contacted the supplier and said, look, this product that you're making, which was an Oxford material, can you make sure that nothing changes, because the difference between the weight of 10 grams going over means that me posting it to my clients would move from the £1.55 per product to £3.05. It will then become a small parcel. My supplier, in his infinite wisdom, then had a very much upgraded Oxford material 300G. It also was a little bit heavier. I was so excited. He said, oh, okay, I made it perfect for you. It is great. He did follow the dimensions, but guess what? When these products came, the toiletry bags were actually heavier. So that would have cost me more money. And it did cost us money. I mean, we ended up selling 2 for whatever. That way, we were able to retain some small profit. So you do need to check the exact dimensions of what you asked for. You need to do some sort of stress test yourself, if it's materials or if you're washing. You need to do some sort of a drop test. You need to do, especially if it's fabrics, you must do a wash test. And I don't know why a lot of the products that some of us sell, we do not try our own product. So once you try that and use it for a little while and see what else could go wrong with it, put it whatever industry you're in, there are ways that you can test to see. And one of the quickest way to do that is go on different forums that talk about this product or what functionality is not working, and make sure you fix that within your own self. Thank you so much for watching. More of this is in the link in bio, more detailed. So do follow